The inclining test is a critical procedure conducted to determine a ship's stability characteristics, specifically its center of gravity, CG, and metacentric height, GM. These are essential for understanding the vessel's ability to remain stable in the water under various conditions. Purpose of the inclining test: 1. Determine the center of gravity, CG. The test helps in calculating the vertical position of the ship's center of gravity. Knowing the CG is crucial for assessing how the ship will behave when subjected to external forces, such as wind and waves. 2. Calculate the metacentric height, GM. GM is a measure of the initial stability of the ship. A positive GM indicates that the ship is stable, while a negative GM suggests instability. The inclining test provides data to calculate the GM, which is critical for ensuring the ship's safety and seaworthiness. 3. Assess stability and safety. The test ensures that the ship meets the stability criteria required by maritime safety regulations. This is especially important when modifications have been made to the ship, as these can affect its stability. 4. Compliance with regulations. The test is often required by classification societies and maritime authorities to certify that the ship meets stability and safety standards. Information shown in the inclining test document: 1. Ship's particulars, name, type, and dimensions of the ship. Displacement and draft at the time of the test. Date and location of the test. 2. Test conditions. Description of the loading condition during the test. Water density and environmental conditions, wind, tide, etc. 3. Weights and movements. Details of the weights used during the test and their positions. Records of weight movements and the resulting angle of heel. 4. Inclining moments. Calculations of the inclining moments caused by moving weights. The list of the ship at each stage of the test. 5. Heeling angle measurements. Measurements of the angles of heel at different positions of the weights. A table or graph showing the heeling angles and corresponding moments. 6. Results and calculations. Calculation of the ship's center of gravity, kg. Determination of the metacentric height, gm. Analysis of the ship's stability characteristics based on the test results. 7. Corrections and adjustments. Corrections for factors such as free surface effect of liquids, tank soundings, and any deviations from ideal test conditions. 8. Conclusions and recommendations. Summary of the ship's stability characteristics. Recommendations for any necessary modifications or operational limitations. 9. Signatures and approvals. Signatures of the responsible naval architects, engineers, and surveyors. Approval from the relevant classification society or maritime authority.